When replacing a broken sensor, the fastest method is cloning. Let's use the GWTPMS to copy the original sensor's ID directly to a new one, saving you valuable time in the shop. First, we need to get back to the menu, then select Programming, because we have already checked all the 4 tire sensors. So we need to go to the Copy by Activation. But before everything, there's a very important notice. That is, to keep all the other tire sensors far away. But if you want to program 4 tire sensors at the same time, you could keep all the 4 sensors close to the antenna. Now we have removed all the other sensors. This is the one we're going to program. All IDs are displayed clearly. Now we can choose the one we're going to replace. Let's take the first one as an example. So now, as we can see, it has successfully read the information of this sensor. As shown on the screen, the serial number ends in 0207, which matches the printed serial number on the tire sensor. This confirms that the correct sensor has been detected and is ready for programming. Now press the programming button to start the process. Programming is now complete. The copy is complete. In just seconds, you've created a perfect clone. You can now install this new sensor into the wheel and get the car back on the road immediately.